So let's continue. We already achieved the functionality of add new things, delete things, and but we haven't been able to make sorted things. And of course, we restructure things. That's because we are going to pass the sorting functionality here. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to add a state variable that can solve the sort problem. So it's content view. Let's add a sorting mechanism here and then pass that inside this things to do list of it. So here I'm going to add a state variable. This is just a sort of a private var, and we can have a sort logic. So basically, we are going to pass a specific sort descriptor as a specific logic as a default. Okay, so slash default. So I believe it's called Things2Learn. Okay, and we can access. So first, maybe the name will be the descriptor that we want to pass. Okay, and here inside the toolbar we got button. Also we can add things, and of course we can sort things. So let's add a menu. Just to spice things up a little bit. So how to sort, right? So you put sort, and we can select. Selection will be pathing in our sort logic. Okay, so yeah, fairly simple one. Oh, sorry, it's not supposed to be something like this. This is a mess up code, so cut it. So menu will be sort, and I'm going to have a system image of we're going to got a SF symbol. Right now I believe I already got the SF symbol downloaded, maybe. So SF symbol, do I have? Okay, I don't have, which is weird. I should have downloaded somewhere. Right, I already downloaded and installed that. I forgot it because I'm traveling right now, so it's my laptop, not my previous desktop computer. So yeah, the menu, let's multicolor or bicolor. Let's just use a shape to indicate more, like a bottom down arrow, maybe just an arrow. Circle view, that's good. Don't want this because this will be like they want to arrow. I just got this like a downward arrow like this one. So just need to copy name and things are going to use this. Let's just comment it out. We don't need this preview right now. So system image, and you can just use the system image here, and there's a string, obviously. So it'll be a menu like this, and inside here. So remember, we just mistype something. Right now, let's do this. I'm going to use the picker, and there will be a sort. Then here is the selection, and we're going to pass in a binding, and there will be the sort logic. Then we can pass in different selection that we want. So for example, we're going to sort by name. Okay, text, so string. We're going to sort by name, and we can have a tag and that will be a sort descriptor. Okay, sort descriptor slash and Things2Learn. Okay, I'm going to, this is just way too slow, so sorry about that. I forgot to add the Copilot as my helper. Sorry about that. Okay, so Copilot is online, up and working. So Things2Learn, get the dot, I believe it's name. Okay, so they can like learn from my code and quickly generate other. So priority, yeah, that's good. What about another one? Task, come on. Date, yeah, Things2Learn date, that's good. Text, whether it's finished. Do I have a finished? Oh, is finished. So it'll be text is finished and is finished. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, strange. We got 5. Description. Yeah, description. Normally we don't use that as a selection sorting tool. So yeah, let's go back here. See whether it will give me error or not. There's no initializer. Is finished. Get Things2Learn why there's no is finished. Yeah, God is finished. So why is that? Found the candidate was second. Smash. Yeah, that's big because yeah, it's a boolean. So sorry about that. I can't do this. We can't sort things. So yeah, let's test it. Right. So we got like a menu, so we can sort things like a name, priority, and dates. Yeah, pretty good. But there's no way to actually see the priority low. Okay, priority low. Oh, that's priority low. Let me add new things that I got up like a priority high, and there will be a high priority name. High priority or high importance. Let's just use high. Okay, save this and see whether we can sort the priority out. So this should be okay, the last one. So let's look at here, priority tag sorting. So name will be the first, and then priority date, sort logic, Things2Learn, toolbar, system image. Yeah, let's go back here. So passing the descriptor, picture importance level. Yeah, we need to further modify the code here. Yeah, the reason did not work is that I haven't been able to pass it, so we have to pass it. Yeah, we got this sort logic. We need to pass the sort logic inside. That's the reason we use this view, right? So I'm gonna say the sort will be our sort logic. But right now the argument passed the call takes no argument, so we have to edit the things to do list view here, right? So I believe we need to add a initializer, and let's go back here And remember, we are going to initialize and have some sort of a socket that can accept a query as a sort of parameter, if you will. So I believe I'm going to add initializer here. So init model context. Yeah, let's just accept this and not this one. But rather, remember I use sort, so I can say sort, and then there was some sort of sort descriptor. Okay, a serializable description have many sort neural yeah, sort descriptor, and it will be our things to learn. Okay, and we're going to pass it a query things to learn. Okay, and that will be query initialized with a specific sort, and that will be our sort. So put a sort inside the query and initialize it, so you can use it here, passing a specific sort logic, and then you can use it. Yeah, that's good. Okay, moment of truth. Let's test it out by run on app. Let's go back here. Well, yeah, I believe I need to delete a lot of things, because I sort of get a lot of things, but that doesn't really matter. Right now it's the name, so C, core data, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Yeah, that definitely passing sort, and priority. Priority doesn't really matter because I believe all the thing priorities are low. So what I'm going to do is to add some sort of priority to high. Okay, so and there will be some like a random thing. Let's go back, and if I sort by priority, okay, and okay, so the highest will be here. I should reverse this. I should definitely reverse this. So the sort of ascending order, and dates. There's no date, even there's no date showing here, so doesn't really matter. But if I click name, we'll go back. Okay, pretty good. Okay, that's sorting for you.